Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Miss Silver here, and today I am going to teach you guys how to recreate this beautiful bridal updo. To begin this hairstyle, you want to begin by curling the entire hair. I did went ahead and curled opposite directions, right, left, and on the sides I curled away from the face. Next, I'm going to do two partings behind the ears without disturbing the curls so much, and I'm going to go ahead and section that away. If you still have a hard time curling hair, I do have a video on the proper ways to curl in opposite direction, and I'll link it down on the description box. Next, I'm going to be working on the back part, and what I'm going to do is really simple. I'm going to open my hand, separate my 5 fingers, and very smoothly I'm going to push upward, and I'm going to begin to pin. For the bobby pins, I am going with long bobby pins, and the way I'm going to grip this is in an X. So I'm going to be securing the hair in parallel directions, forming X's with the bobby pins for a secure hold. Once you're done pinning, let go of your hair and it should look something like this. So if your hair is looking something like this, you're following along just great. Next, I'm going to start positioning the hair because this is a high updo. I want to keep it up top. So once I'm done positioning the hair, and as you guys can see, I'm not putting in that much work. This is very effortless. I'm going to position my hand, hold the hair in place, take my bobby pins, and begin securing the hair. Also, remember when you're hairstyling, try to hide the bobby pins as much as possible. Bobby pins should not be visible when styling hair. I'm going to continue to lift the hair, and remember, don't overthink so much. Keep in mind the shape that you are going for. Sometimes it's easy to get carried away as we're pinning the hair and we forget about our shape. So make sure you take the time to check out your progress as you're pinning the hair. This is looking very good. I like the shape that I'm using. It looks bouncy. It looks earthy. I really like the messiness in it. And I think it's safe to say that we can add the crown. I always suggest to put the crown before you start picking up the sides. That way the bobby pins that you use can be easily covered. And before I start with the sides, I'm just checking to make sure that the crown is not tilted or slanted or looks weird. Anyways, now that we are done with that, I'm going to start pinning the sides. As you guys can see, I took a few strands and I'm bringing those over to the back and securing them with long bobby pins. As I'm working on the sides, I'm very lightly using Hairspray Volume 1, which is a flexible hairspray, to set down the flyaways and pin the hair back. As I work on the sides, very gently, I'm brushing out those curls with my hands, and I'm bringing it over to the back. And remember, work a few strands at a time as you pin. Pick up the hair on the back as well and integrate it with the back of the bun. That way you can continue seeing the shape that you're forming and you don't lose track just pinning the hairs from the sides. Off camera, I'm going to do the opposite side, and I'll be back to show you guys the final result. And here is the final result. I did went ahead and added a veil to the back. And I want to show you guys, let me do a whole 360 so you guys can see how beautiful this bridal hairstyle looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Drop your comments down below and let me know what you would like me to teach you guys next. I also want to invite you guys to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon, and of course, give this video a like. For further details, check out the description box so you guys can see some of the items that I used for this video. I also want to invite you guys to follow me on Instagram and on my TikTok. Sometimes I go live on TikTok showing step-by-step tutorials, and I do answer live questions. All of the details are below on the description box. Again, thank you for joining me for another tutorial. I will see you guys again on the next video.